Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have a 2 minus b square divided by b minus b square is equals to 2, and we solve this problem for all the values of b. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And here in the first method, we move b minus b square to the right hand side. So when we move this value to the right hand side, it will be written as 2 minus b square is equals to 2 times of b minus b square. And now in the next step we have, this is 2 minus b square is equals to, here we multiply 2 separately on both of these two values, and it will becomes 2b minus 2b square. And now further in the next step we move the value 2b minus 2b square from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as this is minus 2b square. When we move it into the left hand side, it will becomes plus 2b square. This is plus 2b becomes here minus 2b, and this is plus 2 and minus b square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need to add or subtract the like terms, and we have this is 2b square minus b square becomes b square, and this is minus 2b and plus 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here in the next step you see here this is the quadratic equation, and we know that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, the second one is completing square method, and third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So here we apply the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation, and for this we need to write the coefficients of this equation. So for this we first write a is equals to 1, capital B is equals to minus 2, and capital C is equals to plus 2, and we state the quadratic formula as b is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is our quadratic formula, and here we need to substitute all the values of a, b and c here, and it will be written as b is equals to, this is minus b, the value of b is minus 2 plus minus square root of b square. So b is minus 2 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 2, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. So further in the next step we have our b is equals to, this is minus times minus becomes plus 2, and plus minus square root of minus 2 square, and minus 2 square becomes 4, and 4 times 2 becomes 8, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And now further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as b is equals to 2 plus minus square root of 4 minus 8 becomes minus 4, and it is divided by 2. And now further in the next step you see here, here the negative sign appears inside the square root. So we apply square root separately on both of these two values, and it will be written as 2 plus minus square root of 4 into square root of minus 1, and it is divided by 2. So here you know about that the square root of 4 becomes 2 into, this is minus 1 square root is equals to iota, and it is divided by 2. And now further in the next step we need to break this fraction, and when we break this fraction it will be written as 2 divided by 2 plus minus 2 divided by 2 into iota. So we obtain the value of b is equals to, this 2 and 2 are gone, and we get here 1 plus minus, this 2 and 2 are gone, and we get here iota only. So these are the two complex values of b which we get here in this method, and this is the our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting and exciting videos.